How to pin important messages in Google Chat. Let's get started. Launch your Google Chat app. Here we go. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the home page. Google Chat is an intelligent and secure communication and collaboration tool built for teams. With Google Chat, you can send a direct message to anyone with a Gmail address or Google account. You can also set up group chat with multiple participants or message one-to-one. Now to pin any important message, all you have to do is long press on the conversation. With that, different options will appear. Click on the option of pin. With that, the conversation will be pinned. Now you have to click on this icon. In this page, you will be able to find all of your direct messages conversation. At the right corner of the conversation that you have pinned, you will see this kind of icon, which is a pin icon. Also, the conversation that you have pinned will appear at the top. So this way, you can easily pin important messages in Google Chat. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.